Hello everyone. Today we're going to be checking out this. Now what is this, you might ask? Well, you might be able to glean a little bit of an idea of what it is if you pause and read this fine print, but I'd rather just find out. This is the new DBrand grip case, X-ray edition. Actually, this is a really nice case. I have always, anytime I got a new phone, I did a series where I would buy 5, 6, maybe even 10 of like the cheapest phone cases I could find on Amazon. I'd test them all out and, you know, figure out which one I wanted. Well, this was my number 2 runner-up. It's kind of bulky and I don't love it, but my number 1 ended up becoming too brittle and ended up shattering right around the camera here. And if you look closely, yeah, this one's broken too. So it's time for a new case. This case is actually really nice. It's slim, kind of sleek. I like that it has kind of a rubbery texture here on the sides for some grip. That's nice. We'll have to get a new socket for this guy. And then behind this cover is our, it's a skin that you can put on the case itself. Just like that, so you get an X-ray picture of my phone. This one also came with the light edition. So we have the dark and the light. I prefer the dark here, so we're gonna go ahead and go with that. If you want to, you can look at the differences here, get some real details. But let's see how difficult it is to apply the X-ray skin to the DBrand grip case. So let's start with our big piece here. Basically just a really big sticker. I'll actually turn it this way. And it fits just, that is a tight, snug fit on this case here. Now we have the X-ray lens here. That's probably what this is for, is to clean it up before we install it. Moment of truth. Let's see how difficult this really is. Don't want to cover our lenses at all. Ooh, I'm a little off. Hold on. Ooh, buddy. Come on. Also not aligned again, this top section. There we go. We got the DBrand X-ray case. So that's a pretty short video, but I kind of like this case. They are rather pricey. This case with the sticker that goes on the back, which is kind of funny. I was hoping that they would have applied it. I didn't want to apply it myself. And I was also under the impression that I would get 2 cases. It was saying like 2 for 1. No. It's 2 stickers. 2 stickers, 1 case for the price of 1, which is kind of a bummer. I personally really like the teardown skins myself. I like the colorfulness to them and like all of the little here and there things that are a lot easier to read than this guy, where it's all black and white. I don't know, I'm not as big of a fan. Like I was saying, I do prefer the teardown skin better, but this was on sale when I was actually going to buy, and honestly, if I had never heard about the whole fiasco scandal around Caseify, I probably would have never actually bought a DBrand case, just because they're so expensive. I probably would have just bought another $10 case to last me another year until it was time to get another phone. So here we are, pulled the trigger. Hopefully this guy will last for a long, long, long time. At least that's the hope. I do like this case. It's thin, it's not bulky. I like the grip to it. We'll give it a try. Follow me on Twitter to find out if I end up hating it and throwing it away. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I do have a giveaway running right now. There will be links down in the description of this video. It is a 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Thank you so much for 3,000. We are racing up on 4,000 really fast, so we'll probably be doing another giveaway at 5,000, so make sure you stick around and subscribe for that. If you have questions about this DBrand case or anything else in my videos, leave those in the comments section down below. I try to be as responsive as possible. I'll also try and link to this DBrand case for you guys if there is an Amazon affiliate link, or maybe I'll just throw out a regular DBrand link. But I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do see Amazon links down below, those links do help to support this channel with no additional cost to you. So go ahead and click those links, do your shopping from there, and then I will earn a small commission from that. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one.